Start by removing the tool tray and anything that restricts the space. Now that everything seems clear, you can start removing the rear panels. The rear end panel is held by two plastic clips. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop out the plastic clips. I just put a masking tape on the tip of the screwdriver to prevent damaging the clips. Gently pull the rubber strips. Here I have a hook made from steel wires with a masking tape on the tip to prevent from damaging the panel. Pry it by pulling to remove the cover. Then pull the rear end panel upward. Here are the hooks and clips underneath this rear end panel. This portion is hooked into this pot. These four hooks are locked into these places. This one is the same on the other side. These two remaining hooks are placed on these areas. Underneath that rear panel, there is a hidden clip here. And here are the other clips. Just simply pry all of them. Then try to take the whole rear side panel away. I decided to remove the spare tire to give more space. And here is how the back of the rear left panel looks like. Do the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.